In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Shopify theme. So the process is easy. Just go and log in into your Shopify admin panel. On the left panel, make sure to go and click on Online Store. You'll find yourself per default in the themes page. So here, you'll find basically the current theme that you're using. Normally, you'll find right here an updates available if you have any updates available for your theme. For me, as an example, if I go here to the version, I'll find that I am up to date to the latest version. And my current version, as example, I'll see it's right here. I can also view the release notes as example that they updated recently in my theme. So for you, if you want to update your theme, you can just go into themes, and here if you have any updates, you'll find that's right into this rectangular, this panel. You'll find it's either here or either here. So either here or either here. Of course, once it's updated, you can also view the store to check if anything is changed somehow. Check if your store looks as usual, and if it does, that means you're good to go. If it doesn't, maybe you can try to go back to your old version or make any necessary changes if you have just some small things changed. Normally, nothing changed, so you don't even have to worry about that, but it doesn't hurt to check. If you want, you can even try to duplicate, as example, the theme that you have, update the duplicated theme, and check, as example, pages, product layouts, carts, and checkouts, and see if everything is good. Then update your main theme to fail-free, as example, so you don't fall into any problems. Once you're done, you can publish, as example, your updated theme, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.